Hey Dreamers, Floyd Tucker here with another installment of This Week in SaaS and Cloud, Volume 4. I actually want to start off with a contest this week. I got some comments back about this painting back here, and I wanted to see if you guys might know not only the artist, but the name of the painting. And if you do, I will give you and your company a shout out on the next installment. How about that? And also give you a hint. And the hint is waffles. So, interesting news coming out this week, actually today, especially from our friends over at Google. They started a new service through GMaill where you can actually place calls free to the US and Canada for the rest of the year. And I think it's cheap rates also to international. Now, within the first 24 hours of the service, 1 million calls have already been placed, which is pretty amazing, especially when we were just talking about the demise of Google Wave a couple weeks back. This is direct competition with Skype, and we'll have to see what that does. I've used Skype for years and loved it, but I've also used this new GMaill voice service as of today, and gotta say it works pretty well. I mean, it's crisp. So if you've tried it or you have any comments on it, I'd love to hear, and we'll just have to kind of keep our peepers out for it and see what happens in the future. Also, interesting information coming from a recent report with IBM's X-Force. They said that the growth of the cloud will continue to be a sore point in terms of security, and that there's actually a number of exploitable options in computer programs growing to 36% in 2010. And what they're saying is that web apps are actually the most vulnerable. They have the largest number of vulnerabilities, which is growing by 55% year over year, much of which has to do with this malicious code that's hidden in JavaScript and PDF exploits. So, I guess the sense is that hackers can crack into a master rig and then theoretically access all of the connected desktops. So, scary stuff. Want to be on the lookout for that. Hopefully we can come to some kind of solution for solving this security issue in terms of cloud and stopping some of this fishy activity. In terms of events, tonight down at Dogpatch Labs over Pier 38 is the Hackers and Founders meeting. Pretty cool group down there. If you haven't been, check it out. There's a hidden secret passphrase that you need tonight, and I'll be happy to share it with you. It's "Where are the geeks and the beer?" So tonight they're going to be talking about new shiny technologies they've been using, startups that they founded, and also startups that they think are interesting, and stuff that they've read about on Hacker News. And I will be including with this video blog a list of excellent resources that I got from a lot of the members and participants at last week's Parasoma event that I went to. So be on the lookout for that. Anyways, that's about it for the news this week, but I look forward to seeing you guys next week. So until then, take care.